Hello, our art friend. Today in Kitty Can Draw, we are going to learn how to draw a tulip flower. So let's start drawing. First, draw an incomplete oval shape facing upwards. Then connect the top of each side to the center of the bottom with a wavy line. Connect these two parts at the top with the top part of a heart shape. Draw a half circle on top of it. Then connect this half circle to both sides with a small curve. Draw two lines coming down from the bottom of the flower to make the stalk. Connect the two lines together at the bottom with a long letter V, making each side of the letter V slightly curved outward. Make a horizontal line right under the letter V. Draw an upside down letter U on the left side.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And a long diagonal line on the right side. Connect the stalk of the flower to the letter U with a curve. Then make another curve at the bottom to make the tip of the leaf. On the other side, connect this long diagonal line to the stalk with a curve. The scent is divine. Now you can draw a beautiful tulip. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some part of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your color.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.